Micro tool, the call line. When a conversation stretches across languages and contexts, meaning begins to accumulate layers that don't belong to it. A simple way to anchor clarity is to bring the entire interaction back to one essential question: what is the single outcome we must protect above everything else? This question doesn't challenge, correct, or narrow the client, it frees them. It pulls the clutter away from the message. It reveals the intention behind the request. It creates a shared axis around which the rest of the conversation stabilizes. Anchoring clarity is rarely about getting more information. It is about finding the sentence the whole conversation is secretly orbiting. Case: the conversation drowning in detail. A German insurer and an Italian client were discussing a cross-border policy review. The client spoke passionately, describing processes, frustrations, old audit findings, and future hopes, all at enthusiastic speed. The consultant listened, recognizing the emotional charge beneath the detail. The real purpose of the call had disappeared under story and context. Instead of asking for summary, he said, "If we boil this entire conversation down to one outcome you want protected above all else, what is it?" The client paused. The emotion settled. A single, precise priority emerged: internal alignment. The clarity anchor didn't silence the emotion. It organized it. Scenario practice, using anchors and frames. Choose an upcoming conversation where stakes matter. Before the meeting, write one single anchor outcome. What is the one thing this conversation must protect? Steer toward that outcome once you sense drift.